Hello everyone. In this video I will share amazing trick with the concept of creating multiple folders with one command and command prompt. For creating multiple folders in one folder, create a new folder and rename it. Now open the folder that you have created. Move your cursor to the address bar and click on it. Then type cmd and hit the enter button. Now write the command named md and then type the name of your folders with giving space in each folder name and hit enter. You can see that multiple folders are created on screen. So that was today's tutorial. If you like this trick, then like this video and make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for latest updates. Until then, goodbye, I will see you next time.